Hello viewers and welcome to the first session of Architectural Plan. In this session, we will see how to initiate a plan. The most important and the first thing to do before creating an architectural plan is setting up the layers. So let's see the layer management in this scenario. Here we will see how different type of layers have been created. First, we have a by default zero layer which is of white color. Then we have axis which is in yellow color. For bathroom furniture, we will choose a layer with a green color. In this way, we will choose different colors for different type of layers. Most of the students who are at beginner level make a mistake. They do not start by creating layers, and as the work flows, they create random layers and name them 1, 2, 3. It might be convenient for time being, but in the long run, when you would be dealing with extensive work, you might face and you will definitely face huge problems. So, it is important to plan and assign different colors to the different layers and keep appropriate descriptions. Like for definition points, we have this white layer, then we have some primary and secondary dimensions. So, we can name them as dimension 2 and dimension 1 and assign color blue and red respectively. As we mentioned before, that along with this course, I would point out the lackings and some tips and tricks to make professional and better approach recommended drawings. So, one thing that I want to bring into your knowledge is that while creating a layer, one must select the line type as well. As you will see in the future lectures, sometime we will create an object or a geometry with the continuous line type, and later on we will have to change it manually to the center line. To avoid such type of inconvenience, we can assign the line type in the start when we are creating layers. This is the recommended and my opinion. Another thing in my opinion, like I mentioned in the last course of Beginner's Guide to Autodesk AutoCAD, was that you must start with a light theme or white color, because if you are working for long hours, that one is more convenient, but it is totally on your own recommendation and choice. There is no hard and fast rule to choose a light theme or a dark theme. It is as per user recommendation, and convenience. So after dimensions, we have doors with a blue color, flooring with a gray color, furniture with brown, level with gray, names with pink, plants with green, terrain with green, walls white, walls hatch orange, and windows would be blue. Like this, we have these blue windows. So these are all the layers that have been formed. Well, I would really appreciate the effort of the student as he has done great homework. How he selected the layers giving appropriate layer names and he knew the color codes for some specific layers. That is really appreciating. So this was all about this session where you have seen the first and the initial step to start a plan, which is creating layers. See you in the next session. Till then, take care.